2026, the Volkswagen Golf GTI celebrates its 50th birthday. And what better way to honor 5 decades of hot hatch excellence than with a special edition? Enter the 2026 Volkswagen Golf GTI Edition 50, a performance-packed tribute that blends heritage and modern technology into one irresistible package. It's more than a facelift, it's a rolling love letter to one of the most iconic performance cars ever built. A modern icon, honoring the past. The Golf GTI has always stood as the benchmark for fun, practicality, and driving engagement. Since its debut in 1976, it has grown from a plucky underdog into a segment leader. The Edition 50 respects that journey with a bold yet tasteful design that hints at its roots. Exclusive Edition 50 badging, retro-inspired tartan seats, and red pinstriping on the grille nod to the original Mk1 GTI. Volkswagen also throws in unique 19-inch alloys, black mirror caps, and a black roof for added aggression. The exterior color palette includes some heritage shades like Mars Red and Tornado Yellow, alongside new metallics developed just for this edition. Power boost. More than just a birthday cake, under the hood, the Edition 50 packs a revised version of VW's legendary E888 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4. Output is now up to 296 horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque, pushing it dangerously close to Golf R territory. Thanks to reworked software and a freer-flowing exhaust, acceleration is sharper, and throttle response more immediate. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission, ensuring purists and modernists alike get their way. Power goes to the front wheels, but the GTI's electronically controlled limited-slip differential keeps things tidy in the corners. Chassis tweaks and tech upgrades, Volkswagen didn't stop at just power. The Edition 50 gets adaptive dampers, stiffer anti-roll bars, and a bespoke tuning of the Vehicle Dynamics Manager system. This means sharper cornering, flatter body control, and a suspension setup that balances fun and comfort in typical GTI fashion. On the tech front, it gets the new 12.9-inch infotainment system with haptic buttons that actually work, a major improvement over past iterations, a configurable digital cockpit, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon audio system as standard. Safety tech includes travel assist with semi-autonomous driving capability, predictive adaptive cruise control, and an updated lane-keeping assistant, all features that quietly make the GTI one of the smartest hot hatches on sale. Limited numbers, unlimited appeal. Volkswagen plans to build only 5,000 units of the Edition 50, with a fair share headed to Europe, North America, and select global markets. Each model comes with a numbered plaque and a special GTI 50 welcome animation on startup. This exclusivity ensures the Edition 50 will become a collector's item in the years to come, especially among enthusiasts who appreciate the model's rich history. Pricing and release. Expect pricing to start around $43,000 in the US and €48,000 in Europe, slotting it above the standard GTI, but still below the Golf R. Orders will begin late 2025, with deliveries kicking off in early 2026, right in time to celebrate the GTI's Golden Jubilee. Final thoughts. A birthday gift to the faithful, the 2026 Volkswagen Golf GTI Edition 50 isn't just a special edition for collectors. It's a refined, powerful, and emotionally resonant vehicle that perfectly bridges the GTI's illustrious past and exciting future. It captures what has always made the GTI special: driving joy, daily usability, and timeless appeal. For fans of the brand and newcomers alike, the Edition 50 is a reminder that even in an EV-heavy world, the soul of the hot hatch is very much alive.